So we're literally we're walking in Van Giesen right now. This over here was field. Now it's flooded. Completely flooded. Even on the road. Look at that. Even on the road, it's flooded.
All I could see was like a bunch of stuff floating in the water. Like in the middle of the road.
Like this was all field right here. And it turned into a massive river.
But I think they got all the animals out.
Oh my God.
My phone's gonna die. I love you.
Oh my God, even over here, it was flooded. And this was a field too. Is it a fence? Oh my God. Yeah, this happened last night, by the way. Last night. It's crazy. Never been in a real flood before. 19 years. I've never been in a flood.
This is not even the bad spot. Bad spots are up here.
Oh yeah, even right, that little area is flooded.
Yeah.
Holy shoot. Yo, that's actually insane. There's something floating in there. Oh, yeah, there's something floating in there. I don't know what that is. Oh. Yeah. Oh my God, there's some like green can.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Oh, look, it's getting ready to hit the road right here.
Oh God. Yeah, it's about to hit the road right here. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Oh my. This looks like a freaking trail that just got flooded. Holy shoot. Holy crap, dude. Oh, that's crazy. Didn't even smell it from here. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it.
This isn't even the bad part. The bad part's up and around the corner.
Yeah. Holy crud. Oh. There's like, literally, there's a house somewhere.
Right here.
Yeah. Right in this corner. It's right in the middle of it.
Yeah, that's the house we saw yesterday.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, this is crazy. We are actually walking in this. Holy. Oh, shoot. We actually walked in it.
That water was a little deep right there.
It was. Oh my God. Look at that. That house is literally in a river right now. Holy shoot. I mean, they're not flooded, but their whole yard is flooded.
Yeah, looks like it's staying away from the house for the most part, thank goodness.
Yeah. Wow, those people are okay. Holy crud. That was road. This is road right here. You can see the speed limit sign. Holy crud, look at that. That was all road. Holy crud. This is crazy. Oh gosh. That dog. Holy crud. We could actually go swimming in this, but it's too cold. I'd rather do it in the summer. But see this? This was road. You see the road closed. Right here. Oh my god. I'm gonna walk really far so you guys can see. Oh my god. This is where animals went to. Oh crud, dude. This is crazy. This is actually crazy. Oh my god. Yo, it goes all the way down. God, I'm walking in it again. Oh my god, it goes all the way down. Oh my god.
Keep walking.
Oh my goodness.
You want to walk all the way down?
Yes. This might be going on YouTube. How long this video is. But not on my Callie and Luna Plays channel. Definitely not. Oh my god. This was all field.
Thank God they got all the animals out.
Yeah.
All these had horses and chickens
And llamas.
No, that one was up a little bit more, I think.
Oh. I'm pretty sure I saw llamas in this field one time.
They, oh no, this one didn't have any. I think this is where the next ones were.
Probably.
That one's the next one. I can't remember.
Yeah. I'm seeing another closed road.
Yeah, it's closed all the way down.
Yeah.
Every road, side road is closed.
Yeah, that
It
is.
looks like this.
Yeah, that is crazy.
Oh, there's a helicopter.
Oh. Whoa. Why are the helicopters seeing all of this?
Oh, I'm sure they are. We probably got the best view of it all.
Probably.
That one guy on the bridge had a drone. That was the remote in his hand. He was doing that.
Yeah. Holy crud, that's a lake. Oh my god.
That's the Snake River. That's a flooding
Oh wow.
right in people's backyards.
Yeah, this is looking like Shrek's swamp right now.
Yeah, look down there.
Holy crud. Road. Oh,
Come on, keep walking. Because it's a long walk.
oh my god. That is bad.
Mm-hmm.
God. And we haven't seen the worst yet.
Nope.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that house right there.
No! 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 No, they got unlucky. I wonder if they evacuated.
Oh, yeah. Yes, they did.
Yeah, I would evacuate if my house was like that.
This one up here looks pretty bad, too. When I drove by it the other day.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
She's been doing videos. I've been seeing it online.
Oh, wow.
She lives right there in one of those houses.
Oh, wow. That's crazy.
Man, you should have downloaded your walking app. You could have made up your credit.
I could have.
All this walking.
Yeah,
You have to do that anyways before the semester ends,
that's true. Yeah.
so you don't fail the class.
Yeah. Holy crud. Holy crud. That is really bad.
Yeah, look,
Yeah.
certain people over here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
As soon as we get up around this corner, we need to be able to see everything.
Yeah.
Smells like fish.
It does. Like, oh my God. Huh. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, God. Oh, my God. We're getting to it. Just so you know, guys, I can walk fast. Because I am in power walking, so. Huh?
Get over there across the way. Yeah.
Oh,
There's
my.
a house way over there. I don't know if I got it. Oh, right here was the little farm. We got flooded.
Oh, no.
Right where that fence is, I think, is where the little farm was.
Oh, God. It is, dude. That's the farm where we saw the llamas, I think. I don't remember, but.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
getting pretty high right there.
Yeah, oh, my God.
Water in their backyard.
Mm-hmm. Well, they're not completely flooded.
No, hopefully their house is going under.
Hopefully.
I don't know about those people across the way. I can't really see.
Fingers crossed, man.
There's a helicopter again.
Oh, yep.
Those people are safe because they're up high ground.
Oh, yep, they are. There's the helicopter who's getting a really good view of this.
Looks like they're okay.
Yep.
The house is okay.
Yep.
Thank goodness.
Yeah. Whew. Oh, God.
Yep, that's where the animals were. Thank God they got them out.
Yeah. Thank goodness,
I think
dude.
it was Thursday. It was already starting to flood pretty bad. On
Yeah.
Thursday.
Yeah. Yeah, it was. I think it was Thursday.
This is where it starts getting bad.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Oh, my goodness. Oh! Helicopter. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's crazy. Oh my god. Oh, I am mind blown by this. Oh god.
Oh look, there's a horse. They're trying to get out horses. Let's get on the other side so we don't scare them.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's horses.
Yeah, they're still trying to get animals out.
Oh god.
It looks like.
At least they're concerned about the animals. I was too.
And of course they're concerned about their animals. It's their pet.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, this is where it gets bobbed. From here out is the whole road, both sides, all lanes. All
Yeah.
4 lanes are underwater.
Yeah, holy crud, dude.
Once we get up here, you might have to zoom in
I might.
and see how far so you can show Uncle Eric. And we'll stop right where those people are.
Okay.
Oh, those are birds or something. I don't know where they are, but
They might be in the trees.
oh
Oh,
yeah, they are.
oh my god.
Yeah,
Oh.
this is where we saw the stuff floating.
Oh dear, this. Oh no! The house is flooded! No! No, 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 no. No. I hope those people are okay. No. Oh no. That cone's almost submerged. There are the birds. Oh my god. Yo, this is. Huh?
Let's walk over here and let him get by with his horse. Over here.
Oh. Oh, side to side.
Yep.
So you don't scare the horse.
So you just stop.
Stop. Okay. Don't move,
You
don't
don't
move.
want to disrupt those people.
Yep. Don't move, don't move, don't move.
Beautiful horse.
Yeah. Oh, its poor hooves are all wet.
Yeah, and he was in the flood for a minute, huh?
Yep. Oh my goodness. Poor thing must have been cold. Been scared.
So we can only go to that mailbox and that's it.
On the mailbox. Oh my god. Their mailbox is submerged. Oh, that house looks like it's okay. It's up on a hill.
That one just sold. Someone just bought that house.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
I
bet you they're
pretty shocked.
guessing it.
Probably shocked.
Yeah.
Like we are. Holy crud. Yeah, we can only go to the oh my god. Yo. This is crazy. This is actually crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that.
What? Maybe they're trying to
It's all the way. It's not directly on the train tracks, but it almost is.
Here, so you have to zoom in from here.
Holy shit. Like, it goes all the way down right there. You can see vehicles right there.
Okay. Let's turn around.
Okay, yeah. Yep. We're gonna turn around now, guys. And we're gonna head back home safely. This is supposed to clear out by Monday, so.
Oh, this road won't be open Monday.
Oh.
It's supposed to stop flooding.
Oh, yeah. So, fingers crossed to all those people who, faced through this flood. And hopefully you guys made it out alive. Did you guys use an extra hand? You want some help?
Oh no, we're good.
Anyway, see you guys later. Goodbye.